We're at Nismo. This is like dream come true stuff, man. This is like, 20 years in the making to finally be at Nismo. I'm playing Gran Turismo 2, man, back in the 90s. Look at this. It's Nismo. It's Nismo finally here. I'm so excited. So excited to get inside. Oh my days, that's so unbelievably clean. Wow. Oh, this is everything I ever wanted to see as a kid. Look at this, wow, this has got to be my favorite Nismo spec. I mean, I love the 400R, but look at this. This is outstanding. Oh my gosh. Wow. So good. Look at this. Look. The championship trophies from the 2004 Super GT 500 class. What's this one? The Rolex 24 Hours of Daytona in 1992. Look at that trophy. That's a corker. Wicked. And look at these little die-cast models. What we got there, that's the Nismo Z. That looks like not an N spec, like an R-Tune or something. Love those little models, but then you got like the real deal. The real deal, oh gosh. And so unbelievably, like, the satisfaction right now is unreal. Like, I'm like, I feel so giddy. Look at these helmets though, the helmets are so sick. Literally so cool. Oh, look at this one with the Impul Nissan. So cool.
Names.
Oh, the actual drivers' names.
Yeah, the drivers' names.
Oh, this is amazing. So good. Underneath the. Look at this one. This one's from the 2013 series. You've seen it on Gran Turismo. The auto backs, no tool. And look at the wangs. I come back to stuff like this every single time. Look at this. The 270R, like, everybody's seen this. Any video we watch, it's made up of all GTRs that make the GTR badge, which is a neat little feature, and then the engines as well. So these are always here. What's always on rotation are the cars. And this is the 270R, right? The 270R, if you are my age, so I'm 28 right now, if you played Gran Turismo 2, and I can't remember which event it is, but you get this really early in the game. And it's like just a little pocket rocket, but it's so crazy seeing it in person. And it's basically a Nismo spec'd out version of the Silvia S14. So this is the kind of car where it's like, it's just a gem. It's just an absolute gem. And I'm probably more into the 90s cars. This got released in 1994. I was born in 95, so this car is a year older than me. But this car is 29 years old right now, which is insane. But it's just so, like, the badging as well. You got like a Nismo like badging down there. It's insane seeing this all in person. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop. But yeah, insane, absolutely insane. I have no other word than insane. I've been saying it for like 20 minutes. It's so good. And then in here, they've got like, look at what's going on in here. This is insane. So that's just a regular R32, right? That's not like, okay, but so clean. That color is so beautiful. The Z, I just love that. That's such a clean. That's what I like about Nismo. It's always been so clean. There's a yellow one happening in the back over there. This is like dream car scenario for me, because I'm an R33 guy. This car is just like, it's just a beast. It's just an absolute beast. And then we have this, which is possibly one of the most insane cars in here. This is the, did he say it's the R spec? R-Tune or Z-Tune? I don't know which one, but look at the grille, look at the hood. This thing is a menace. Oh, it's naughty. When you see the fenders flare out like that on the sides, it's so insane to see it in person. Like this and this. They just, I mean, it's always here, but they just mount it on the wall. Like, it's ridiculous. It's so cool. And I think I'd be a sucker if I didn't come all the way to Japan and get a little something from the shop, you know? I see you again soon.